Students, this is your sixth chapter. Your chapter name is Introduction to MS Excel 2010. MS Excel is an application of MS PowerPoint. Beta, we are using MS Excel to maintaining the record in a tabular form. What do you understand by the tabular form? Tabular form means the page is divided into row and columns. As you are able to see that there are so many rows and columns here. Let's show you. Students, these are the rows of the table. These are the column of the table. Okay, or in simple language we can understand the horizontal view of the table is known as the row and vertical view of the table is known as the column. When a row or column intersecting each other, it forms a cell. This is a cell. Beta, this is the initial building block of a table. Whenever a row and a column intersect, means cut each other, it forms a rectangular box which is known as cell. What is this? This is a cell. Okay. This is a small single page of MS Excel which is known as spreadsheet. So, page of the MS Excel we know as spreadsheet. Okay, spreadsheet. It contains many parts. You can see here are a name box, a quick access toolbar, active cell, ribbon, title bar, formula bar. In below we can see sheet bar, status bar, workbook window and scroll bars. What do you understand by the window? Window is the screen which we are seeing at present on the screen. Whenever open an MS Excel, they show a window, that means current sheet of the MS Excel. MS Excel page is known as spreadsheet which is in tabular form. Now we are know about one by one these topic. Firstly, this is the name box. Name box is used to give the name or used to show the name of the sheet. By default, in MS Excel application, it has 3 sheets. We can rename these sheets' name according to our desire. Quick access toolbar shows some tools which we can use in urgently. We are not follow to many steps to open a file or undo or redo, but we can use here quickly. So it contains file, undo and redo button, open a file, etc. Here is an active cell also. What do you understand by the active cell? Active cell means a cell in which we are typing the data or we are currently typing something. That cell is highlighted by a bold border which is shown here. So, which shell is highlighted by the bold border, we understand this is our active shell. This is a ribbon. Ribbon have many groups or many parts of the different tools. Okay, here paste. Here are related to the font. This is related to the changing the font of the text. This is for the alignment of the text. This is for percentile and numbering, generally using numbering for the text, and so on. Now this is a formula bar. Formula bar is a very important bar of the MS Excel window, because whenever we want to calculate or write something, if we are not writing directly the cell, we can write in this formula bar. This is here, automatically it will be written where we are want to write it, but give some references of the cell. Okay beta. One most important thing is here that we mentions all the rows by the number. Look at here, and we mention all the columns by the alphabet. So how we find the address of a cell? We find the address of the cell by combining both of these. Here active cell shows A1, that's mean column A and row 1. Suppose I am writing here something, so I will give its address like this is in C column, so I will write C first. After that, from here we are writing in 6th row, so we write this like this. This is the address of the cell. After that we have a scroll bar. Scroll bar help us to go upward and downward as well as right and left. This is a horizontal scroll bar which helps us to go left and right. This is a vertical scroll bar which help us to go up or down when our data is exceeded shown sheet. Okay, now this is sheet bar. Sheet bar show the number of sheets we have a workbook. A spreadsheet is also known as worksheet, and the collection of worksheet is known as the workbook. So by default I tell you we have 3 worksheets in a workbook. So here this is showing sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. If we are adding more, then it will be showing us like this, and sheet 4 or whatever we are giving name, that one. Okay, status bar show the status of the sheet, that we are on sheet 1 or sheet 2 or sheet 3, or how many sheets we are using in a workbook. This is a workbook window, that's mean that page where we are performing our task. Okay, this is all about the MS Excel 2010 window. Just learn it. If you have any query, you can ask. Thank you.